Coming to you live from Patuxent Nursery in Bowie, Maryland, right off Route 3. We'd like to welcome you to Mary Claire's Perennial House, newly constructed to house the over 300 varieties of perennials and ornamental grasses. Let's take a look inside. As we go inside, you can see that the shelves are just stocked full of beautiful perennials, organized by sun and by shade to help you find what you're looking for your garden. We have a large variety of Maryland natives, pollinators, rain garden, and drought-resistant perennials. We hope that the next time that you're in the area, you'll stop by and take a few home with you. Until next time, we'll see you in the garden.